Hey, what's up guys? This is Corey from GoAZ Motorcycles. This is a Honda CTX. This is a DCT model, which means it is a dual clutch transmission. I love it. So right here you got drive, neutral, and you can click it over to S, shift. You can also do it on demand in drive. Paddle shifters right here. Got the plus in front and the minus on the thumb. Forward controls, nice and comfortable. Excellent commuter bike for the stops and starts. Sure would be nice not to have to mess around with a clutch all the time. Parallel twin 700, good sounding motor. I hear a lot of people say that they don't like the DCT, they'd rather have a clutch, and 9 times out of 10 it seems like they've never even tried it. And I think once you try it, it's just one thing it's just one less thing you have to do, and it's very intuitive, works really well. Honda doesn't make something unless it works really well, and they're perfectionists.